Welcome back to the channel. This is Melanie from polkadotsandpixiedust.com. Let's take a tour of a theme park view room at Disney's Contemporary Resort and see if we think this room is worth the cost. We checked into the Contemporary Resort and headed up to the 9th floor where our room was located. The resort has recently been renovated to include the Incredibles theming, and you can see super cute Incredibles artwork in the hallways. The theme park view rooms are located in the main tower. First enter, you'll see the bathroom. It's huge, with the shower and vanity in one room and the toilet in a separate room. H2O products are stocked on the vanity and in the shower. The monorail mirror is very fun and quite large as well. There's a large closet located at the very front of the room for storing things like your super suit or anything else you may have brought with you. This is a very decent sized closet which lights upon opening it. There are also drawers to store anything you want folded. The room also comes with a Keurig as well as a drawer of coffee and tea. And like most rooms at Walt Disney World, there's also a beverage cooler. Here's a look at the living space of the room. There are 2 queen beds and a fold-down sofa bed, and lots of little Incredibles themed touches. And there are plenty of outlets throughout the whole room, which is always appreciated. Alright, let's head out to the balcony. We were actually pixie dusted with a theme park view, so this was such a nice surprise. The balcony is a really reasonable size and generally felt quite private. The room has all kinds of great details, like monorail lampshades, reading lights in the headboard, and fun little Incredibles artwork throughout the room. The beds are high enough so you can easily store luggage underneath. Here's a look at the couch bed. This wasn't the most comfortable bed, but it also wasn't the most uncomfortable either. If you have someone who's not a picky sleeper, then this should work fine for them. It's just a standard sized twin, and my sister fit on it just fine. The views from this room were absolutely stunning, and we loved being able to watch the fireworks right from our balcony. So, is the theme park view room at Disney's Contemporary Resort worth the price? Well, let me start by saying we got an insane deal on this room with a Disney Visa discount. We basically paid the regular rate of a moderate resort, and then we got pixie dusted to a theme park view. That being said, we don't think this room at the Contemporary is worth its regular cost. The views are incredible, and being so close to Magic Kingdom is amazing. The room is a really decent size and is super comfortable. But the layout of the bathroom is not really functional or convenient due to the placement of the doors. Only one person can use it at any given time. We had a lot of issues with things breaking or being broken in the room, and they never got fixed even after bringing it to the resort's attention, which is crazy to me for a deluxe price point. We sometimes were joking about how we felt like the room had been built from things from IKEA. We loved being able to use the monorail during our stay, but it kept breaking down, which was a bummer, and there were other issues with the hotel in general that won't have us rushing back here anytime soon. We'll do a full resort tour and review of the resort itself in another video soon, so stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.